Welcome to our tutorial for creating an account on 1xBet and activating the bonus using the promotional code MISTERBETS. Excellent! Stick around until the end of this tutorial and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. To start, navigate to the 1xBet website. Once you're there, click on Registration. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the option to select your bonus, whether it's for the casino or sports. Now, on to the next step. After selecting your bonus, choose One Click. Here, you'll enter your country and currency details. Don't forget the important step. Enter MISTERBETS into the promotional code field to activate your bonus on the first deposit. Once that's done, click Register and complete the CAPTCHA. Your registration details will be securely stored. For additional security measures, you may also want to provide your email. Moving forward, select Make a Deposit. Then, pick your preferred payment method. With over 70 options available, you're sure to find one that suits you. After making your initial deposit, your bonus, whether for sports or the casino, will be ready to use. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.